Did you drop your paper, Babel?
Yes.
Okay, just a minute. I got it for you. There you go. There's Iron Man. Are you guys having fun?
Yeah. We like to use all the paint we like.
Good. I'm glad you like it. You're doing a great job, guys.
Yeah. Sometimes we'll have to be a grown-up.
Someday you'll be a grown-up. Are you going to paint when you're a grown-up, too?
Yeah. And I'll use grown-up paint. And I'll use grown-up paint. That's right. I can paint a little on me. Oh no, I'm going to be so sad.